Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how the peer review workshop works. It can get a little bit confusing, so I wanted to help bring some clarity for you. Okay, so we're going to go into learning modules. And so this week, obviously, we're in Module 4, the writing workshop. So we will click on that module and we're going to go to 4.5 discussion, the annotation and the writing plan workshop. Okay, so down here, these are the steps that you need to follow. Copy and paste your annotations and writing plan into the discussion forum below to create your initial post by Thursday, 11:59 p.m. your local time. Okay, so scroll all the way down, click New Thread. I have here an example of a 3-6 writing plan, but this is PDF and it's going to look funny. Anyway, what you're going to do is you will simply, I'm just going to do this a little bit, not the whole thing, okay? You get the idea, but here's the writing plan, okay? There's my 3-6 writing plan. And then I also need to add my annotated bibliography. So wait for that to pull up, and kind of slow today. All right, and here is, whoops. And so here's my annotated bibliography, and I'm pasting that right underneath my 3-6 writing plan. So this is my initial post right here. I've attached my writing plan and I've attached my annotated bibliography, and that's it. I'll put in my plan and bibliography. Okay, so this is my initial post, and this is what you need to have done by Thursday night, okay? And so you will post that. Then what you're going to do is you will then look through and you'll say, oh, here's Jackie Leonardi's plan and bibliography. Well, this looks really interesting. I think I want to review her work. So you will click reply, and you need to leave a little note. I am going to review your work. Looks interesting. Okay. And then I'm going to post that. So right here where it says select a post made by another student to workshop, that's what I just did. All right. So again, that is this right here. All right. Okay. Then what you need to do, read through your peers' post carefully and then answer the following questions in a response post by Sunday, 11:59 p.m. your local time. These are the prompts that you need to answer about your classmates' work. So I would open a blank Word doc and just start, let me go to a new, and I would just start in with it, okay? Number 1. I think the first prompt asks, what is, in your own words, identify the argument of your peer's persuasive essay. What are they aiming to prove? Okay. Let's say you chose Susan's. Susan is wanting to prove blah, 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 blah. And it needs to be in your own words, okay? Then you're going to answer prompt number 2. Has your peer adequately addressed opposing points? And And you need to be thorough, okay? Don't just say, yes, opposing points have been mentioned, and then move to 3. No, you need to write, this is a writing class, so you need to write. The counter arguments are blah, 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 blah. She might consider adding blah, 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 blah. Okay, so give some suggestions. We're here to help each other, so give some suggestions. Okay, so on and so forth. So all of these prompts must be answered, okay? Don't just, oh, I don't want to answer that one. Let's say that, in F, does your peer acknowledge a counter argument in one of the annotations? If that's a no, well then, when you're writing your peer review, you could put no, my classmate doesn't have a counter argument source in the annotated bibliography. So I got on the database and found blah, blah, blah. Here is the link. You might consider using this, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So again, we're helping each other out. All right. So you wouldn't just say, no, there is no counter argument. You need to give suggestions, be thorough. Okay, and then, so when you're all done with your review and you've answered all of those prompts, you could copy and paste this. So I'm going to copy, and I'm going to go back. I'm going to reply again and copy it here. And then that's my review of her work, and I will post it. Also, if you didn't want to open up a Word doc, I guess you could just answer the questions in the discussion forum. So you could just, click reply, and then number 1, let's see, Susan's argument is blah, 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 blah. Okay. Number 2, opposing point, are blah, 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 blah. You might also consider, so you can do it either way. If you want to open up a Word doc and then copy and paste it into the discussion board, that's fine. Or if you just want to maybe make it easy and just type your answers directly into the text box here. So you can do it either way, but just don't, you got to click post so that it turns out and your peer can read it and see their thoughts about your work. Okay. I think that's it. That's what you need to do. If you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video helps with some clarity about how what you need to post and how to complete this assignment. So if not, email me and I will try to clear things up for you. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.